In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Airbnb payment method. If you've recently got a new card, prefer using PayPal, or just want to manage how you pay for trips, this walkthrough will make it quick and stress-free. I'll guide you through the app and the website so you can follow along on whatever you're using. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone or head to the Airbnb website in your browser. Make sure you're on the account you actually use for booking so your changes apply where you need them. Next, go to your account or profile area. On the app, that's typically the profile icon at the bottom right. On the website, look toward the top right for your profile menu. This is where all your personal settings live, including your payment details. Now tap or click on Payments. This section controls how you pay and what's on file. Once you're in Payments, look for Payment Methods. You'll see any cards or PayPal accounts you've already saved, and this is where you'll add a new one. Choose Add New Card or PayPal. If you're adding a card, carefully enter the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address exactly as your bank has it on file. Small typos can cause declines, so take a moment to double check. If you're connecting PayPal, follow the prompts to sign in to your PayPal account and authorize the connection. It's normal to be redirected briefly to confirm. After that, save your changes. You'll also see the option to set this new method as your default. That's optional, but it's helpful if you want this to be the first method Airbnb tries when you check out. Setting it as default can save you time and avoid hiccups during a busy booking. Once saved, your new payment method is ready to go, and it will be used for your next booking. If you have multiple methods on file, remember that the default one is what Airbnb will prioritize, but you can still switch during checkout if you prefer something else. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the payments or payment methods sections, update the app to the latest version or try switching from the app to the website. Make sure your billing address and postal code match what your bank has and ensure your card is enabled for online or international transactions if you're booking abroad. That's it. You've successfully updated your Airbnb payment method and set yourself up for smoother checkouts on your next trip.